नमस्ते भाई, कैसे हैं आप? आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम हरप्रीत सिंह।
वीर जी, हम ये गुरुद्वारा साहब, क्या नाम है इस गुरुद्वारा का?
गुरुद्वारे का नाम है तखत श्री हरमंदिर साहिब। यहाँ गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी का जन्म हुआ है।
आप यहाँ
1766 में यहाँ पे गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी का प्रकाश हुआ।
और यहाँ पे मोटा मोटा डेली कितना लोग आते हैं?
डेली आते हैं कम से कम 20-25 हज़ार से प्लस ही आते
अच्छा,
हैं।
इतना ज़्यादा। और आप लोग यहाँ पे लंगर भी चलते हैं ना?
हाँ जी, लंगर भी चलता है।
डेली मोटा मोटा कितने लोगों को खिलाते हैं आप?
वही जितने आते 10,000 से प्लस ही है।
10,000 के प्लस है। बाप रे।
जितने आते हैं संगत उतने सारे लंगर चलते, यदि बिना लंगर चलते भी नहीं जाते।
और ये पूरा दिन खुला रहता है?
हाँ जी, पूरा दिन 24 घंटे 24x7।
ठीक है हरप्रीत जी, आपका इन्फॉर्मेशन लेके बहुत बढ़िया लगा, यहाँ पे आके बहुत बढ़िया लगे। धन्यवाद, आपसे मिले।
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
Takht Shri Patna Sahib, also known as Takht Shri Harmandir Ji, serves as the revered birthplace of the 10th and last Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, situated in the city of Patna in Bihar. It bears a historic significance and holds an esteemed position as the second most sacred amongst the 5 Takhts or temporal seats of authority for the Sikh community. In the 15th century, this location was inhabited by the Haveli of Salis Rai Jauri, a renowned Jain jeweler who resided in Patna. Following his encounter with Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism and the first of the 10 Sikh Gurus, he underwent a profound spiritual transformation and became a devout follower while embracing the Sikh faith. Deeply impacted and influenced by the Guru's teachings, he transformed his palatial home into a dharamshala, serving as a school of righteousness and a rest house for travelers. During the 1660s, Guru Tej Bahadur, the 9th Sikh Guru, travelled with his family to the Dharamshala while on a preaching expedition to the east of India. This Dharamshala then bore testimony to the birth of his son and the 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh. Following his birth, a large mansion was constructed over the Dharamshala. The successors of Salis Rai Jauri donated it as Janam Asthan or birthplace monument, recognizing it as the birthplace of the Guru Gobind Singh. The Gurudwara evolved as a gathering center for the Sikhs known as Sanghat and earned respect, admiration and reverence from the community. In 1939, a fire outbreak engulfed the structure, resulting in its destruction. The reconstruction of the monument was then commissioned by the first Sikh Emperor Maharaja Ranjit Singh, who unfortunately did not live to witness its completion. Following its reconstruction, the monument suffered severe damage again from an earthquake in 1934. Subsequently, it was rebuilt in the 1950s and is presently a remodeled edifice and a result of the reconstruction.
इसको क्या कहते हैं जी?
ये दीवान
तो यहाँ पे सारे संगठन होते हैं।
हाँ जी, जैसे मतलब जो बड़ा प्रोग्राम होते हैं हिंदू का एरिया बड़ा है ना।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बहुत बड़ा। ये नया नया बना हुआ है।
हाँ जी,
बहुत सुंदर है, ऐसे ऊपर खुला वाला।
The Diwan Sasta is a gathering space renowned for its architectural marvel in the form of an aesthetic dome which adds to the elegance of the venue and serves as a setting for ceremonies and functions. The hollow structure of the dome enhances echoes, reverberations, and acoustics, amplifying sounds being transmitted from various points of the structure. The lack of supporting pillars on the structure is remarkable and is an architectural wonder surrounding the space.
पूरा एको होता है बातें, कहीं और बात हो रही है, कहीं और आवाज़ आ रही है.
This is the Langar house where 3 meals are served daily and thousands are fed. Originally a Persian word, Langar translates as an almhouse or a place for the poor and needy, and is a community kitchen in the Sikh tradition. The concept of langar is to provide food for everyone in need of it, irrespective of their caste, class, religion, and gender. Every individual is always welcome as the Guru's guests.